into tutorials and let's go with the further functions on ChatGPT, which we will be using in the MS Excel sheets. So you can check our playlist. You will find more videos and how to install the ChatGPT for extension. Everything you can learn it very easily. Just check out the playlist. I will add the link in description as well. Also check out our playlist. You will find multiple videos on quality training, team leaders, operation managers. Many more videos are there, like MS Excel dashboard reports. Many things are there. You can learn and crack the interview very easily. So today our concept is, suppose let's go with some images or any text information, and I want to get the text from these images. How I can do with the help of ChatGPT. So to learn this, we will use the function which is known as GPT underscore version. The function is GPT underscore version. You can see here I have added here GPT underscore version. Now here we will add a query, which is, what does it say? This is a query we have to add. Then again double quotes, comma. In double quotes we will add the link. What kind of link here is, if you do right click, it's loading because of network issue, or else right click, open image in new tab, image in new tab, you will get this link. Okay, in this link till GPEG, you can see that this is the image link. Till this particular portion, just copy it. After doing the copy, you will go to the same the URL which is there in the function, select everything, and in between of double quotes just paste it and enter. If you do this, you will get the text information in the image. Here it is, enjoyed today. Let me check if we get this information. It's loading. Give us just few more seconds. Yes, the image, this is neon image which says enjoy today. You can see here we will get all the answers. If you copy this also, this is also I have just added. So basically you need to copy the link of the image. If you do so, you will get your required answer in the text format. So let me load this as well. Control V, enter. This is done. You can see we'll get all the information, like they have written like, one small positive thought in the morning can change your entire day. So let me check if this, yes, one small positive thought in the morning can change your entire day. Quite easy, guys. So please use it and learn it and crack your interview easily, and use such functions. This might help you in your daily work as well. So check out the playlist and don't miss to click on like and subscribe option. Have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.